it. Thank you so much to the winner.
Congratulations, Barbie.
Muse Barbie.
By the way,
Thank you
Prince
so much.
Charming.
Yeah.
Shout out to Princess Escamis, by the way.
We have
So,
four beautiful girls.
yeah, we do have.
The Muse of Pampanga and the Muse of Quezon.
Okay, so why don't we begin with Pampanga?
How was your trip coming to Pangasinan? For the hours that you had to stand up here. Alright.
Now, we have Kate from Quezon Huskers. Kate, by the way, you had a nice entourage. Ikaw lang yung may kasama na kaparo kanina dito sa Mpbl opening natin.